So here we are. Fire's set up. I'm having a beer. Rain's out. Birds are out. Just listen. Worst weather that I've ever set out on. Here I am down at Murphys Glen. It's been raining quite consistently here all day. Obviously the ground's soaked through, so I won't be setting up the swag on the ground. But it does look quite beautiful down here in the wet, I'll give you that much. Glad I came down. I passed it on the way through, went about half an hour out of my way, and now I'm back here and it is just stunning. It is 9 degrees, so it's definitely not warm, but it's not a cold 9 degrees, so I think this is going to be a nice little spot for the night. Okay, so the idea will be that the awning comes out and flush with this piece of wood here. I can set up my tables and chairs and the computer and stuff. I can do a little bit of editing tonight and I'm out of the rain. So fingers crossed this works out. And that is how you set up an awning by yourself. Right, just getting the fire started. Kindled up some wood with my machete there. Good burning pine. Bit smoky, but it's all good. What a lovely place. I'm so glad I came here. Must be getting close to 7 o'clock because the cockies are calling everyone home. Can you hear them? Of course you can. It's all you can hear. Oh, listen. This is a really nice spot. Can't believe it's so close to home. Okay, so it's just around 7:30 now. The cockatoos are still going. Just went for a little walk down the little ravine here, and boom, straight away I found this little creek, little waterfall. Too dark to record it, so I'll have to go down there in the morning. I mean, I do have the light for the camera, but it's a little bit wet down there, so I'm the only one out here. Ben knows I'm here, but he doesn't know I'm here, so I don't want to go falling down the ravine there. So that'll be in the morning. Then I'll go down into the dam at the picnic area and show you that, and talk to you then. Bye. They're so noisy. I hope they shut up before I go to bed. Then again, it's when the possums come out, I suppose. And whatever else lives out here. Ooh. Good night. Coffee time is the most important meal of the day. Yummy. Good morning, everyone. This morning I am going down to the dam at Murphys Glen. I think I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, not the right way. I'm going to take the Nikon for some shooting and check out this dam.